have to sign up for a new LinkedIn account. If you want to open a new LinkedIn account, if you already have one but want to have a new one for a new work profile, or you are completely new to LinkedIn, I'm going to show you how to create a new one. First, go to linkedin.com, so the official website right here. And here at the top you'll see two options: join now or sign in. If you already have an account, you can sign in from here, but if you're new and want to join, you can just click on join now. Here it will ask you to enter your email and password, but you can just continue with your Google account like so. Choose your Google account and confirm, and from here you can agree and join, and it will do a quick security check, and you will have to verify the puzzle. So once you do that, verification is now complete. After this, it will start with your location, and you can use your job title. You can enter your college or university or your start here like so, and click on continue. Then it will ask you for a few more details that you have to enter. Then you are good to go, and you should be on your new LinkedIn profile. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.